You know, my squirrel's just chilling in there, you know. So, we're reading another horror story. It's called The Last Thunderstorm. In the small town of Luzunana, it's probably some country or town. Well, it is a town, but whatever. Was families everywhere. Full stop. A little boy not older than 8 years old. Hi, I'm 8 years old, Spider-Man. Can you take a photograph of me? No. There we go. Named Michael Jones. Michael West. Oh, he's from the west side. He's a cowboy. Was taken out of his bed one thunder house night. So just a thunder night, basically. This girl called Terry Lynn 49. She uploads quite a lot of horror stories on this. Jesus Christ. I have no idea where we are now. They say when you look out to the sky, watch out for Mother Nature. I'm Mother, and I am Nature. Mother Nature. Now in the last story, I still no idea why they murder you. Because that's what I wanted to know. Is how did they get murdered? In Mother Nature. Lately she has been down and out and full of anger. When she gets like that, watch out. Watch out for the sky staring into your eyes. Dun-dun-dun. Shut up. There we go. You never know who she will take next. So if you're a kid, she's a kidnapper. So she's a murderer. So why don't people arrest her then? Because at the minute, this sounds like a normal person, to be honest. Just a normal person being a kidnapper, basically. That's what so far this story is all about. You guys are probably getting annoyed with this. No, I'm just gonna. So, where we are now. Destroyed many homes and left lots of people homeless. The worst thing was losing Michael. Supposedly, if you look back on the weather reports, you will notice that every time we had a hurricane, there was at least one missing child under the age of 10. I'm really not surprised if people die in a hurricane, because most people die in a hurricane So Mother Nature, dude. Damn, nature, you're scary. Mother Nature loves to surprise us with unexpected news. Everyone started to noticing that skies were getting darker and the rain was coming down heavier than usual. So you're telling me she has some magical powers and she can control the weather? Jesus, she can make rain more stronger, you know? She's like, I can control the weather. Okay, yeah, well, that sounds like winter if the skies are getting darker. That morely sounds like winter. And the rain was, yeah, exactly, when the rain's getting thingamajiggy because the weather is terrible in winter. I'm never touching that again. Jesus Christ, I hate the please thing. The best possible thing to do is have all your children in the same room to sleep. Everyone put down mats on the floor for their children. If you want to be safe in your house, then that was the best possible thing. Christy Ann was one of the best looking mums that she worked in a bar. She had a babysitter at the place watching 3 kids that were under age 10, and I'm betting you they probably died. Christy Ann never listened to any rules. She was not afraid to do anything. All expectilally. If it what was meant to help her children. Talking about horror stories just makes me die. I'm always watching. Mike Wazowski, I'm always watching. Sorry if I'm quiet, it's because my mum's in bed, so I have to be quiet. I have no idea where we are now. No! Everyone close. She made my face come smaller. She had 2 girls aged 4 and 5. She had 1 son aged 7. Before putting the 3 kids to bed, she had prayed for them. Please, God, please don't kill my 3 kids when you decide to do it in that one day. Please, why couldn't you do it any other days, but you have to do it now? Thank you. Because it's a thunderstorm. It's a thunderstorm. They're gonna die. Yeah, they're gonna die. And anyway, isn't it a bit weird how a thunderstorm, it would aim for your house, go straight through there and hit you, It's a very rare chance when it's morely just going to hit somewhere else, not you. So when you hear that, you just go, no, Batman! There were many families in the neighborhood, like the neighborhood that had children under 10. Christy Ann's children were very scared because her mum did not want to follow the rules. So to me, it's just not a very good parent, is it? The babysitter placed each one of their beds, kissed each one goodnight. Good night. Good night. Good night. I have no idea where we are now. There we go. Kissed each, hoped for the best. After listening to the news over and over again, Maggie the babysitter. So why do you watch the news about 50 times, or why you only need to watch it once? So why do you need to watch it over and over again? Try to stay as long as possible around them, not to be frightened. Our kids in the neighborhood. Well, of course, Maggie did the best she can. By the next morning, they did a countdown to see if every kid had been listening. Everyone had noticed the girls were happy and go lucky, but the only thing what split them was their gender. The girls fell off to sleep. That night, the Mother Nature had taken away yet another beautiful face. Everyone in the families did a countdown, except to Christy and Anne's. She had fought so hard to get where she needed to be. She will finally have money. So, money in my pocket, we got honey in the school, we got money in the pocket, we got money in the school. See, I bet you, he's just dying. He wants to fit through here, but he's just dying, rest in peace, rest in peace, mate. Spin, 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 I have no idea where we are now. What a great day. The 2 police officers knocked on their door. They came in and see all her children were safe. The sisters were good, but JJ was no here to be found. Today is the exact date that Michael was taken away from his family last year. JJ was nowhere to be found. Everyone was worried because this is the 10th child in the past 10 years that was brutally taken away from home. The neighbors searched high and low for this child. Now Christian regrets spratting the children. Spratting. The storm would not let go, but JJ was nowhere to be found. The town's finally taken this serious. It seemed that it would only take little boys. So it's a paedophile. I can't say that on YouTube. He's restricted. It's not, is it? No, it's kidnapper. Sorry. No. Nobody heard that. Please don't. Nobody heard that. I didn't say anything you just said. It's all a lie. Don't worry. It's all a lie. I said I said peas a file because peas is a file. Because if you download peas, they're a file. So they're a pizza file. There we go. Now this journey must come to an end. The townspeople must find out that they did wrong and correct what needs to be seen. Too many failed plans that the sun would be to sleep in heaven. Woohoo. Another heartbreak ready to leap. Another year full of tears. Another year full of fears. Do you know what that sounds like? For the one, another year for tears. Another year for fears. Do you know what that sounds like? Sounds like the one what Neil Armstrong said in space. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. What? Why do I do like a farmer voice when people say that though? Because it's not farmer. He's not a farmer. He's not a farmer, dude. One small step for mankind, one giant leap for man. No, it's the other way around. No. Because one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, dude. Look, Wendigo. Oh, it's a Wendigo. Oh, Wendigo. 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 So now that JJ. Go on. Why are you so silent, dog? So now that JJ has disappeared from the face of the earth, where did he go to? He's obviously dead. If nobody can find him, he's obviously dead. What has been done? Another failed case that nobody had won. From now on, nobody breaks the rules in the town Hibbley. Well, everybody goes in it, most people, they have thunderstorms. They wouldn't just go outside and party, would they, in the middle of the street when, thunder's gonna hit you. They're just like, I had a thunderstorm, but we didn't die, did we? Oh, no worry. Precious little family. Every year Mother Nature turns up. Every year the townspeople have to agree. There we go. We got that all sorted. They must vote out for the people is angry. The town may love or hate you. Too many onlookers. Not enough help. Someday JJ will show up in the sky. So then you guys do know where he is then. He's in heaven then. This town of Hillbillies, Teletubbies, Hillybubbies, Teletubbies, has wrapped you into one. Nobody will ever know what we have done. Was wrapped into one. Nobody would have already read that. Hillbilly cow. Oh, I told you guys he was a cowboy. Told you he was a cowboy. Cowboys. Told you because he was from a west side, you know. Hillbilly's cowboy wrapped me in one. You know, that sounds like a rap, doesn't it? Hillbilly cowboys wrapped me in one. Hillbilly Cowboys, let go over this fun. Hillbilly Cowboys, wrap me in one. Hillbilly Cowboys, let me go this for fun. This kid's fat. Look at him. How fat he is. Look at him. Look how fat he is. Fatty, fatty. Fatty, look at this fatty. And then, what's this fatty doing? Fat. Look at this fat dude. Oh, no. Look at the top of his head. So to me, that looks like a cloud. Yeah, that's a cloud. That's a cloud what makes it like a mouth. That's pretty sick. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.